Today we're diving into the exciting world of the Fisher-Price Baby to Toddler Toy 3-in-1 sit-to-stand activity center with music, lights, and spiral ramp, Jazzy Jungle. This versatile activity center is designed to grow with your child, offering 3 engaging ways to play: a newborn play mat, an infant activity center, and a toddler play table. Your little one will love the take-along alligator toy, which features light-up keys and can play up to 20 minutes of delightful music. The seat spins a full 360 degrees, providing endless fun with animal activity toys and an add-on spiral ramp. Parents will appreciate the convenience of 3 adjustable height positions to ensure the perfect fit for their growing baby. Plus, the machine-washable play mat and seat pad, along with removable legs, make storage and cleaning a breeze. Transform playtime into a jungle adventure with this all-in-one activity center that promises to entertain and stimulate your child's senses. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.